Hello, it's Elizabeth Gilbo here. I'm wanting to discuss this course that I have created on time and stress management. This course was developed in the mindset that freshmen can enter college and succeed without having issues with their stress levels and their time management. So the topic here is how we can support these students. The problem was that students that were taking online courses were often receiving bad grades in their first few semesters because the young men and women often do not know how to properly distribute and manage their time. Online classes, perhaps even more than traditional classes, require students to be self-motivated and extremely diligent in their studies. It has been made known that the staff at the university can see that the freshman students attending their online classes often complain that online studies make them too stressed, or often too much work is asked of them in a short amount of time. For the needs assessment, after the learning module is complete, the online learners will be able to approach their online courses with a new vigor and decreased anxiety and stress because they will be armed with knowledge of how to manage their time well. This learning experience will firstly enable learners to see the relationship between bad time management skills and stress and anxiety levels, and secondly, give them the tools they need to demonstrate excellent time management skills on their own. This assessment was done through a survey. The survey questioned freshmen and also some sophomores that had taken several online classes. Based on the results, it was proven that the instruction on time management skills on how to use them necessary will be solved with the problem statement. The goal here would be that 80% of the students will demonstrate time management skills at the completion of the course, which will be done in an online setting that will take place 1 week prior to the start of the semester. The instructional analysis that will be done through matching assessments, group essay assignments, and also an app that they can download on any device that is called My Study Life. This app will allow them to organize their life and prioritize what really needs to be done, and if there's things that need to be taken out to support their time in their courses. Instructional objectives. At the completion of the course, learners will reflect upon the model positive learning and study behaviors and connect these behaviors to a decreased stress in their lives. The objectives here: by the completion of the course, learners will demonstrate the correlation between bad time management skills and stress increase. At the completion of the course, learners will reflect upon the models that we had discussed. The assessment will prove that learners have understood and can demonstrate the content provided in this course because they require them to actively show that they can apply what they have been taught. The matching exercise encourages students to demonstrate that they know what constitutes bad and good time management skills. The group essay assessment will encourage critical thinking and the use of PBL by sharing the finished essay with the student's peers. The online time management tool, My Study Life, a smartphone app calendar, gives the learners an easy and accessible way to use skills that they have learned in their personal lives. The instructional material will be given on an online course that will be listed in a module form. They will also use the apps that they have downloaded on their smart devices. And they also have free resources, which would be your traditional calendar that is found on any smartphone, along with many other things that are accessible through the internet. At the end of the course, they will be giving a survey. The survey will ask them how they feel about being prepared after taking the course, and then also how they felt that the class could be different. With those answers, we will be able to come back through and analyze anything that needed to be changed in the course. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We are very excited about creating this course for students at Warren University.